Good morning, guys. Just pulling out of Amanda's gas station, I guess it is. Well, the nice thing here is they fill you up. It's like New Jersey, but cool. Because, you know, New Jersey's not cool. But here we go into Newport. I am heading for Ridgetop Cabin, and then 2 more places after that. So let's roll on. Oh, that's right, Newport Turkey Trot, Thanksgiving Day at 9 a.m. It is making snow. It's making little snowflakes. I can see out ahead. Well, I can't see out ahead because it's snowing, and so I can't see the mountains. We could call it flurries, but since it's white, flurries are snow, so it's snowing. Not good. Well, we'll have to fix that. Whoops. That's why we check on stuff, because stuff goes and it blows, and if it rots out, well, then it falls down. But hey, this right here, yeah, this wind really takes care of stuff around here. Poor little net keeps getting blown around. Last week when I showed up here, that hey, maybe you can just lay down. Oops. Last week when I got here, the toy, the thing that has all the balls and stuff in, was blown over, and the balls were spread out over the grass, and these nets keep blowing around. Ooh, it is cold out here. So we'll just do that number to him, and it should be fine, I think. That bin is open. Man, stuff is... This wind is serious. Alright, let's take a look at the putting green. That actually looks kind of nice. I don't know. Looks like this block needs to go over here. I'd say it's smoothed out a little bit, but if you want to come and check it out, it's at Ridgetop Cabin, then you can tell me how great it is or how bad it is. I am freezing. We got plenty of leaves here for sure. Let's check out the hot tub. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Not quite shut right. There we go. Gotta check on the little lambs or goats. Come on in, you bully boys. Gotta leave some gas here. What's up? Are you hungry? Here, have some food. If you guys would eat everything, you wouldn't be so hungry all the time. Boy, you don't even want that. What do you want? Oh, you need water. Oh, let's go check the water. 2 empty. So I guess 2 stay here. Oh, it is chilly. Yeah, that's a little frozen. Holy, I need gloves. I would say this is not your normal Airbnb task, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Keep these sheep or goats alive. Alright, water's back. Take a drink. I don't exactly know what to do except crack the ice. Don't get my hands wet. I ain't no farmer, let's just put it that way. Alright, everything checks out. Except I still need to put the sign back up. So, yeah, good thing I didn't miss that. We'll get that thing hung right back up where it belongs. Yeah, shouldn't be a problem. It's back up. Ridgetop Cabin is here to welcometh thou with its sign again. Now to organize my tools. There we go, that's perfect. Lovely. Off to Ickesburg we go. We as in me. Stick in a place where we can hook up the electricalness for RV. Right down the red shed. Let's get it done. There, we got it. We can now hook up the camper and on to the next place. Laurel Run. The hot tub will be ready to use at Laurel Run here just shortly. Alright, so here we are at Laurel Run. Pool was over there. They got, looks like they have all the stone laid, and they just got to put that top cap on yet, and that'll be done. Here's the house, and here's the pool, which the plan is to get water in this pool and make sure it runs all nice. So I have the hot tub filling up, and while that fills up, we're just going to go the house here, take a look around. These two boxes came, so I think those are chairs. And then we got a couple Costco boxes, which soap and such. And let's just real quick tour this place while it's still empty. Here's the upstairs. We have, I don't know, is this an upstairs living room? Probably. Here's the washer and dryer area. That looks out that way. That looks out that way. Now we got the bathroom right here. Bedroom right there. Bedroom here. This one gets bathroom with it. Wowie. Oh, too confusing. Can't find the switches. And this one also has a porch. You can look down on the pool here and down into the valley. And then right on the side here, that's the other porch. A little separator barrier between the two porches. Oh boy, that would have been awkward. That would have been a problem. And then here we have the same thing as the other side. Bathroom. And takes a second. Alright. And here's another bedroom. So yeah, I'll put these boxes together, and then, not boxes together, whatever's in the box, and we'll put that together. And then hopefully the pool, hot tub will be full just shortly. Oh yeah, this place got a basement too. So down here, oops, someone missed a piece. We've got a full out kitchen in the basement. Bedroom there, bedroom there. Washer and dryer here. Oh, that's it. And bathroom. So yeah, that's the full house tour of Laurel Run, and this is goes to the pool, goes to the hot tub. While we're at it, let's check it out. Halfway there. Beautifully done. Is turn on the jets, turn on the other jets. Beautiful. So what's back here? Ah, good job on the grass here, Merv. I like how nice it looks. there it is, October the 10th, 11th, whatever today is. That day, that's how it looked. You know, I like these trees. I just think they look cool. But yeah, we got lights. They are working. Jets are working. I do like these lids. That's very nice, and it don't really break very easily. So there it is. And here's these two chairs I was putting together. Figured out if I just keep them on the cardboard, they're nice and easy to slide around, because I don't know where they're going. But those leg things they have on there, there's no sliding whatsoever. They're pretty solid. All right, I think that's it.